So, welcome back to our EBC Brakes Tech Talk series. I'm down here in Bristol today at our friction factory and I'm here with Steve Payne, our Research and Development Manager. So, we're going to be looking at our motorcycle, scooter, ATV, UTV, or if you're watching in the States, side-by-side brake pads. So, let's get into this. So today we're going to be talking about all of the pads that we offer for scooters. These are going to range from organic to sintered. So Steve, can you tell us a little bit about these pads?
Yeah, sure. We've got the three materials here. So the organic series, the carbon series for the heavier bikes, and finally the sintered.
Okay, and what are these pads designed for?
Well, as the name says, they're all scooter pads, but you've got a choice of materials here. You've got your basic organic pad, which will cover most of the range and do a very good job. The heavier bikes, for a little bit longer life, you might want to use the carbon material, and the heaviest duty material of all, the sintered pad.
So Steve, are these three pads Reg 90 approved and safe for road use?
Yeah, they are. They're fully Reg 90 approved across the range, so good to go on the roads.
Okay, and is it important that I install new EBC rotors or discs with these, or could I use it with my OE discs?
No, they'll be fine against the OE discs. I mean, we'd obviously recommend the EBC discs, which are extremely good quality, but they'll work against the OE discs, no problem.
Okay, and do I need to upgrade to braided lines, or upgrade my fluid? Is that important when you use any of these pads?
No, they're a straight swap. You don't need to. I mean, you can always upgrade any other components if you want to. You might get some advantage, but there's no requirement to do that when you install these pads.
Okay, and obviously we're not going to go too much into it, but with it being organic, carbon and sintered, what kind of goes into making these pads up?
Well, the organics are resin bonded pads. The sintered ones are metallic fused, so they're a metallic bond, very different production process.
Okay, and again, I know this is a bit of a complicated question because there's three different pads there, but what's the best way to bed these in?
Well, I think the best thing to do with these, given that we're talking about three different materials, is to refer people to the website for that. All the information is there.
Okay, well, thank you very much, Steve. If you'd like to find out any more information about any of these pads, hit one of the links in the description and that will give you all the information you could possibly want. Keep an eye out on the channel for the next episode and we'll see you next time.